Brand new Section Speed camshaft. You know that shit's legit when the cam comes like that. That shit fire. Now, take it out. Okay. So the difference between this cam and a regular cam is that it has this triangular lobe on the back end of the cam, and that's what your fuel, your high pressure fuel pump roller tappet is actually gonna ride on. And it's if I'm not mistaken, it's a 10% tappet on these LT motors on the 5.3. So you see that Texas Speed CNC camshaft. This shit precision, baby. Okay, first things first. Engine assembly lube. It's very important. You want to make sure that the cam doesn't start on a dry start. So lube that bad boy up. So I mean, I'm not shiesty with it, but I can get shiesty with it. The reason why I'm putting so much right here is because what I'm going to do is evenly spread it across each lobe. And then we're going to have to time this motherfucker. So this is always tricky. I don't care how many times you've done it. It's always nerve-wracking. So put it up just like that. Just rub it in there. Rub it in there and get you some good. So I rub it all around. I don't give a damn because I'd rather have it all around than have a dry start. It'd be your worst fucking nightmare, especially on a performance build. Because as soon as it starts, it's gonna fucking chop. Like dead ass. Okay, put some more on that motherfucker. Remember, engine assembly lube is like $20. A new cam, it's like $700. So you can go ahead and take that chance if you want to. All right, so now we're all lubed up. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in. So if I'm not mistaken, this key is gonna be down because we're gonna align the cam spark. So we're gonna put this key down. One by one. Be smart. Don't rush it. Make sure you're centered. Don't rush it. Take a break if you have to, okay? Just make sure that it's A1. There's our oil control valve. I'm gonna use that in there to give us a little more leverage. Oil control valve, you know, fucking variable valve timing, same shit. Fucking simple, right? Super easy. Take your time. You won't regret it. Promise.